y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Tillay, and in today's video I'll be showing you everything that I got from Zara. If you're interested, keep on watching. So at the beginning of fall, I went to Zara and got a couple pieces so they can be worn a little bit warmer weather. Here in Georgia it is still hot in the fall time, so you can't get away with some of these pieces that I picked up that I got at the beginning of the fall season. And I recently went probably a couple weeks, I went, when I go to Zara. So I went to Zara a couple days ago and got more winter clothes. All right, so the first thing that I got from Zara is a set. So I got the top, and it's like a set that you can wear together or separately. And so here's the top. It's a light gray, kind of like a square shape. It's no shape to it. It's a square shape. Has shoulder pads in it. The material is like I want to say a sweatshirt and a knit material together. It's really hard to explain. I'm not sure exactly the, I guess, correct term for this type of material, but it's really soft and it's really comfortable. And I got the pants to go with it. The pants are really long and I'm short, so it goes all the way down to my feet, past my ankles, and it has no pockets. I wish it did have some pockets in it. Girl love pockets, so I don't understand why they don't like to put pockets in pants for us. But it's nice. I really like it. It's really like a sleek look. So how I paired it, I actually tucked it in, and this is high-waisted, so I pulled it up and it was really cute. It gave the top some shape, so your shoulders were a lot wider than your waist and you look tall because it's high-waisted. So it's really cute set. I love it and it's comfortable. The next two items I got because right now I am so in love with a monochromatic look. Like, I really love monochromatic looks at the moment. So I tried to put something together, and I found this top, and brown is in this season, so I wanted to get something brown. Now I wish I would have got a darker brown, but it's fine, it's still cute. So I got this long sleeve crop top, and I honestly don't even know why I got a crop top because I'm really not into crop tops, but I like to wear crop tops when I wear high-waisted pants for them to actually meet together, because I don't like to show my stomach. Is that weird? Anybody out there that don't like to show their stomach, comment down below. I forgot to tell y'all the sizes that I got in the first set, and that both were a small. And for this crop top is a extra small, and it was $19.90. So I also wanted to get something that was leather this season because leather is also in, and I got these leather leggings. You know what I mean. It's not leather, but you know what I mean. These leggings are really nice, but I feel like the fit is really weird on me. I'm kind of in between sizes right now, kind of like a small or a medium. Your girl getting thick, okay? She getting thick. So I feel like I'm in between sizes, but y'all let me know how it looks. It's really nice. It has like kind of like a pinstripe going down the front. It has a zipper on the side of where the ankle would be. It's really nice. It zips up and down, obviously. It zips. It's a zipper. It does what it's supposed to do. Anyway, y'all, it's really nice. I really like the color, but when I put them together, I felt like it wasn't exactly the right fit for both of them, and I wanted to wear it with at least like a blazer or a cardigan over it. That's kind of the vision I was going for this look, but we'll see how it works out, because I might just get a medium in these because it might be better fitting, but we'll see. Y'all let me know how it looks. Next, I got this bodysuit. It's a white bodysuit, kind of like a racer style, and I really wanted to upgrade my wardrobe. So I went to Zara to just build up all my basics, okay? So Zara has great quality, so I know that once I spend my money on these basics, it'll last. The quality of this tank is so nice that I got these in multiple colors. So I got a white, I got a tan like the leggings, and I have a green and a black. Like, and I've never been that girl. You know that girl that was like, oh, I like something, so I gotta get in every color. That was never me. So I'm turning into that girl because this bodysuit is everything. It's really good. You should go and grab it. Like, it's so nice. So here's the white one, and I got it in a small, and the bodysuit is $19.90. Here is the green version. The green version is coming up lighter than what it actually looks like in person, but this is more so a muted dark green. It's really nice. I thought this was going to be really pretty for fall, and I bought this also to match a jacket that I'm going to show you. And here is also the black. I am so sorry that all of these are so wrinkled, but I was waiting to do this video, so please forgive me. And I got one more tank, but this is not a bodysuit. It is, oh my god, it's so wrinkled, but it's just a regular tank top, and it's in like a beige color. Really pretty. I thought this would be a great neutral to have also as a basic. All right, next thing is this beautiful green skirt. This skirt is so beautiful and so flowy. I've been searching for a skirt like this since probably like maybe last year, at the end of last year or something like that. Springtime, maybe springtime, okay? This year been so long, it feel like it's been 10 years in 1 year. So I've been looking for a skirt like this for the longest. I just haven't found the right, I guess, one that I liked. But this one really is pretty. The green is really gorgeous. I'm sorry that it is so wrinkled. It doesn't have a zipper. It has a elastic waistband, and it has a slit here, and I believe it goes all the way up to I think above my knee, if I'm not mistaken. It goes above my knee. So with something like this is the vision that I had for it. So I wanted to wear a little bit more grunge. I wanted to wear it with some boots and wear it with the tee. This would be really cute with a knit sweater and some boots. That would be cute. Or a cute cardigan, and also wanted to do that monochromatic look like I was telling y'all. So this would be really pretty, and this can transition into the spring and the summer because the color can still be pulled off in the spring times. I got it in a small, and it was $39.90. And y'all, please forgive me if I didn't tell y'all a price or a size. I'll put it down below in the description box. Next two items I'm really excited about. It's a trend that I wanted to hop on. I think it's really cute, and you can dress it a lot of different ways, but I'm just gonna dress it a lot more casual. So it's the Plaid shacket, a shirt jacket. It's really cute. This is more of a green. It has green, baby blue, and a dark green and black in it. I really love this combo. Like, I really love this combo. And I have nothing like this at all. Like, I bought this tank to go with the jacket. And I love that it is oversized. So the size I got this in is an extra small, and it was $69.90. And the next color that I got is a brown color. Still has blue in it too. I don't know what's up with me and blue. I usually normally don't even wear that color. but it has been really cute. And brown is in, you already know the brown is the color of the season. This one also is similar. It has 2 front pockets here. The back is also plain. I really like this color. I like the blue mixed with the brown. I thought it'd be really cute to pair it with some jeans. I think it will match really nicely with some jeans. I am so into monochromatic looks that I bought the beige tank to also wear it with this. But I'm really not sure how I'm gonna style these two yet, but I think these would really be cute with an outfit that's more dressed down, either like with sweats, or you can wear jeans and some boots, like some Doc Martens or some thigh-high boots, girl, or you can wear you a midi dress or whatever and throw this on. That's cute too. But I'm really trying to figure out how I want to style these 2 jackets. I'm just gonna continue to brainstorm or whatever. My last item. So when you see these shoes, you're gonna be like, what? Why did you even buy them shoes? Like, it's cold outside. But I couldn't pass these up. These are just so cute. So cute. I love the little rhinestones around them. And it's not even like there's not much going on to the shoe. It's literally just 2 straps with rhinestones. But it's still cute. So, and on top of that, it got a kitten heel. What was I thinking? I don't know, but they're really cute. That's all I can say, is they are really cute. I really like them. If you know me, you know I would have said something to you for wearing these kitten heels. But I just come past them up. They are so cute. So what I imagined wearing these with was those flowy midi satin dresses that have like the cow neck and has like the thin strap right here. I imagine wearing these shoes with that dress. I think that would be so classy and so cute to wear like a date night or whatever. And then it'd be real cute because then you won't be complaining to your man that your feet hurt. Look. Get you some of these. Get you some of these. These are really cute. I really like them. That's the end of my video. Thanks for watching. If you like any of the items that I bought, make sure you comment down below and tell me how you would style the item. Like the video and subscribe if you would like to see any more videos from me. And remember to spread love because God is love and He'll always be there. Bye, y'all.